morning. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, this time we are going to have a different review. Instead of reviewing wearables, smartwatches, and smartband, we have here a fan request asking if we can review some devices such as laptop, cell phones, and other electronic gadgets. This time we're going to have a smartphone. So we are going to review the latest smartphone from the company Oukitel. We have here the Mix 2, the Oukitel Mix 2 smartphone. Again, we got the smartphone from gearbest.com. Okay, they are one of the leading website when it comes to smartwatches, smartbands, smartphones, laptop, TV, box, and more. So we're going to provide you a short review of the specs and features of the Oukitel Mix 2. The smartphone right now, the Oukitel Mix 2 4G tablet is available for a flash sale price of $199.99 US. So that is $200. So it is available at gearbest.com. Okay, so they offer free shipping, fast free shipping for their products. They also have DHL shipping. Okay, so let's start with the Oukitel Mix 2 review and unboxing. Okay, so let's open the box. We have here the phone and what's inside the box. Let's check. Okay, so we have the charging cable, USB. So it is not the latest USB cable, the Type C, but still it is using the the micro USB charging cable here. Okay, anyways, it is very reliable. Still don't know about the USB Type C charging. So most laptop right now still don't have support for USB Type C. It's a good thing that this is a micro USB port or micro USB charging cable. We have here a pin for removing the SIM tray. We have the user manual. Let's check. Okay, it's all here. The details on how to operate your smartphone. Anyway, if you are an Android user, I'm pretty sure it's very easy for you to figure out on how to operate your smartphone. So we have the warranty certificate from Oukitel. Okay, and this one, okay, the power adapter, fast charger. Okay, nice. So far, that is the content of the Oukitel Mix 2 smartphone. Okay, let's check this smartphone. We have here a protective cover. Okay, so it comes with a very nice. You don't have to buy a gel casing. The Oukitel Mix 2 already comes with a very cool looking jelly case. Okay, so let's remove the cover here. And at the back, so we have here some instructions. Here the volume, power, and the SIM card and the memory card tray here. As you can see here, we have the dual cam. I guess this one is for scanning your thumb. Let's check. Let's remove this one. You have the fingerprint scanner. So the body here seems like this is a glass, and on the side is metal frame. Okay, so far it looks good, looks nice, it looks premium. We have here the front camera with LED flash. Oukitel.com. Okay, if you're wondering about the specs of the Oukitel Mix 2, so this one, it has a 5.99 inch FHD big screen. It runs the MTK 6757V Helio P25 processor, Octa Core 2.3 GHz processor, 2160 by 1080 resolution. Wow, it runs the Android 7.0 plus. Whether you believe it or not, this one, for the price of $199 only, it has 64 GB internal storage with support for 256 GB memory card. For the camera here, we have the 8.0, okay, and front camera, and at the back we have the 16.0 megapixel. Okay, so sensors include for the Oukitel Mix 2, we have ambient light sensor, gravity sensor, proximity sensor, gyroscope, geomagnetic sensor, and of course we have here the fingerprint scanner. It also has a GPS, and for the battery we have, wow, that's big, 4080 mAh lithium polymer battery. Okay, let's check out. We have here the speaker and the micro USB port. Here on the side, let me show you, we have the power button and the volume button, and on the top we have the 3.5 millimeter jack. Okay, so let's start and check. Let's turn it on. Press. Okay, so there's still a battery for this one. There's still some juice left. So check it out from Oukitel.com. Again, this product, we got it from gearbest.com. Okay, let's check. So we have here the camera. Okay, that's it, it's loaded. So far the graphics are great, very sharp, very clear. Okay, and as you can see here, very slim edges here, almost bezel-less. Okay, here it's a bit thick, but still, if you're going to check out the other products, the Oukitel Mix 2 do have a very slim bezel here. It's almost like edgeless, and on the bottom part it's much wider, I guess, to occupy here the camera. Okay, so let's check out the content and the UI of the Oukitel mix 2.